आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question is, for a common emitter transistor amplifier, the audio signal voltage across the collector resistance of 2 kilo ohm is 2 volt. Suppose the current amplification factor of the transistor is 100. Find the input signal voltage and the base current if the base resistance is 1 kilo ohm. So here the common emitter transistor, we can say emitter is common to both input and output. So if we write the input and output characteristic, so here we can say the input current will be our base current and the output current will be our collector current. Similar way, we can say base emitter voltage will be our input voltage and output voltage will be our collector emitter voltage. So here we can say this is our input resistance and this is our output resistance. So collector resistance of 2 kilo ohm. So 2 kilo ohm is the collector resistor, means output resistance. Similar way, we can say the, let's say, output voltage is our 2 volt collector voltage, and here in the question it is given that current amplification factor of the transistor is 100. So current amplification factor, which is our beta, is equal to output current divided by input current, that is IC by IB, is given as 100. Now we need to find the input signal voltage, that is IB, and the base as VBE and the base current as IB. The base resistance, that is input resistance, is given as 1 kilo ohm. Now here we can say that, as we know, V is equal to I into R, that is output voltage by input voltage, can be written as output current by input current into output resistance divided by input resistance. Now in the question we have been given, this is our output voltage, this is our input voltage. So here we can say output voltage is given as 2 volt. Input voltage we need to calculate output current by input current. This is our current amplification factor as output current by input current, which is given in the question as 100, and output resistance is 2 kilo ohm and input resistance is 1 kilo ohm. So here on simplification, as we can see, this 2 cancels out this 2, hence input voltage is 1 upon 100, that is 0.01, we can say volt. So this is our input voltage. In the similar manner, we need to calculate the input current. Therefore we can say the input current is simply, the input current is equal to input, let's say, voltage divided by input resistance. So input current is our base current, which is being asked, base current. So here input current, base current, is equal to input voltage as 0.01 volt and input resistance even in the question as 1 kilo ohm. So 1 kilo ohm. So this comes as input current as base current as 10 power minus 2 divided by, let's say, 10 power 3. So this is equal to our 10 power minus 5 ampere. So 10 power minus 5 ampere can be written as 10 microampere. So the base current as 10 microampere and input voltage as 0.01 volt, which is our answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।